All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming live from our Joburg office. Good morning and welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo and Ashley. And this is brought to you by TD Markets and TD Markets Academy every Mondays to Fridays at 9, streaming live on YouTube. I hope everyone is doing well this Thursday morning. All right, we're going to get on with the charts. We're going to look at the cryptos this morning and just do a bit of updates since we last spoke about the cryptos, I think, last week. All right, so we're going to do a bit of update. Now we've got Cardano, we've got Dogecoin, and we've got Tron. All right, so these are the three we are discussing this morning. So there is Cardano, ADA USD, you've got Dogecoin, Doge USD, and then you've got Tron, which is TRX USD. Now, the analysis remains the same, right? Nothing has changed on these ones. The analysis remains the same because now with Dogecoin, what's happening here is we've got a higher low, right? We've got a higher low there. So price is going back to that high in terms of, as far as the structure is concerned, right? It has to go back to that high. So now what's happening right now is the higher low has already formed. Price went up. So we've got another correction forming here, right? This is the current week's candle right here. We can all see that there isn't a lot of momentum towards the downside. It does want to go down. Price wants to go down, but we don't have a lot of momentum to the downside. So these sellers are really struggling to push price down. All right. And then if you take a look at last week's candle, it's extremely bullish. So buyers are still in control, right? So now this candle, we're anticipating momentum to continue pushing towards the upside, right? We will see whether this candle closes like this on Sunday midnight or Monday midnight. We'll see if it closes like this. But should it close like this, then there's a higher probability that price is going to continue trading towards the upside. All right, it's going to break above last week's high and continue trading towards the upside. All right, so an update on Cardano, nothing has changed. It's still the same. What's happening right now is there is a correction that is forming. And on the lower time frames, you will notice that price is actually retesting. It's actually retesting this structure there, right? So if you take a look at this trend line here, the market is retesting this, right? It broke towards the upside, it's coming back for the retest, right? So we're anticipating this higher low to form and for price to continue pushing up as far as this structure is concerned. So nothing has changed on this one, all right? We also have Dogecoin. Dogecoin also, it is doing what Cardano is doing. Ever since we got this break towards the upside, price is correcting at the moment, right? There's a correction, and this 50 FIP level is acting as a very strong level there, right? You see how the market went back down and now it's rejecting that area, right? It's a very strong level at the moment. And so, for the momentum to change, the market needs to break below this higher low here, right? The market needs to break below this higher low for the direction to change. So as long as the market does not break that higher low, we remain bullish. So here you've got your break of structure, or break of the resistance, retest of the resistance, and a continuation towards the upside, right? So this one too, nothing has changed. We are looking for a higher low here to form, and then we know that from there on we are getting a push towards the upside. All right, so that is how we are looking at Dogecoin, right? And then you've got Tron. Now Tron, it is currently creating this correction here, right? After that aggressive move towards the upside, the market is correcting, right? So obviously we've got this structure, and this structure, right? So we're anticipating anywhere within the zone, we're anticipating a higher low to form, right? It might be where it is now, or it might be a little bit lower than that, but we're anticipating momentum to start pushing towards the upside anywhere where it is at the moment. All right, so there's our correction. So a break back above, we're looking for this. That is Tron, TRX USD. All right, so yeah, so in terms of the direction, guys, we spoke about the last time, that is still the same. Nothing has changed. What is happening right now is an update on the recent price movements, like your correction, updates on those ones. But yeah, but Tron, Dogecoin, as well as Cardano, we are still bullish, right? We remain bullish on these ones. Right. So that is our crypto overview for this morning, guys. Hope everyone enjoyed. Let's see what's going to happen throughout the week, and then we'll come back with more updates on these altcoins. All right. Have yourselves a good day. Enjoy and good luck.